Welcome everyone to our next video tutorial where we're going to make the screw for our vise assembly. Looking at this screw is probably the easiest way to make this is to revolve it. So I'm going to cut it in half, draw half of that, so like the top half of it, spin it around itself, and then I'll come back and do this hole going through the middle. So let's go ahead and get started. Go to new part. Sketch, front plane. I'm going to start with my construction line going down the middle. I'm going to dimension that real fast. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw my shape. All right, let's go ahead and dimension this. So I'm going to I accidentally selected the center point. I want to select the line. So remember, if I stay up above my construction line, it's essentially a radius. If I go below it, it becomes diameter, which is what I want. And then this is also 0.75. So I'm going to just click on that and click that dimension to make it the same. All right, let's go ahead and do our horizontal dimensions. And then lastly, that we see there is a chamfer here at the end, of 0.0625 inch chamfer. So I'm going to select the drop down where it says fillet, go to chamfer. Come on. Oh, gotta type my dimension first. All right, and there we go. We have now our chamfer. All right, let's go back over to features, revolve. And this is just going to draw a line across the bottom, which is perfectly fine with me. And I'm going to check, and there we have our screw. Now I need a hole going through the middle. So I'm going to go to sketch, and I need to have a work plane in the middle. And I know my original work planes, the top, front, and side views go right through the middle. So I'm going to scroll down here, go to my top plane, and this is going to look directly through the middle. So I can just draw my circle that I want and dimension that circle. And then the location of that circle matters too. Now it's not fully dimensioned yet because I can move it back and forth. So I'm going to need to center it as well. Which is 0.375. And then I'm going to go to extrude cut and do direction 2 through all. Direction 1 is through all. Click OK. And there we have our holes. All right, let's go ahead and change our material to cast alloy steel. Save this part. And that is it for our screw. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would please like and subscribe to this channel and this video to help me make more of these tutorials.